When crying with the first glance, you are greeted by fresh air as the first gift. Nursing your senses and guarding your life. It purifies you by its cleanliness and freshness. When sleeping for the first time in your new house, you can feel both its comfort and its intimacy. Taking care of your body, cherishing your skin, and soothing your senses. It makes you healthy, comfortable, and happy. On the first day of its operation, with diligent attitude and capability, it serves you efficiently and sincerely, and promises you with energy saving and economy. Much progress has been made after countless attempts. With a lofty ideal, we seize every possibility, from 80 to 300 degrees, from waste heat to the sunshine, from wrenches to geothermal energy. Environmental friendliness is both a promising and profitable cause. TICA, more than what you see.